Lights fade in. The camera slowly zooms in on a futuristic three-wheeled camper RV parked in an otherworldly landscape. Soft ambient music plays in the background. Imagine hitting the road in something that feels like it was pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. A vehicle that fuses innovation with adventure, blending futuristic technology with the freedom of the open road. This isn't just a concept, it's the future of travel. Welcome to the world of the most advanced three-wheeled camper RV, where sleek design meets unparalleled efficiency, and where the impossible becomes possible. The body of this camper looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Smooth, aerodynamic, and impossibly lightweight. Every curve, every line serves a purpose, reducing drag while maximizing performance. Made from advanced carbon fiber composites and reinforced with self-healing materials, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering. And yes, it glows subtly at night with embedded bioluminescent strips, making it look like a moving piece of the future. The three-wheeled design isn't just for aesthetics, it's a game-changer in efficiency. Unlike traditional four-wheelers, this camper boasts an advanced gyroscopic balancing system, allowing it to tilt effortlessly into turns while maintaining rock-solid stability. It feels less like driving a bulky RV and more like piloting a futuristic spacecraft on wheels. But here's where it gets even better. This machine is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, complete with a hydrogen fuel cell backup, making it one of the most eco-friendly travel options out there. Say goodbye to range anxiety because this beast can regenerate power from integrated solar panels seamlessly blended into the roof and sides. The more you drive, the more you recharge. But let's step inside because the real magic happens when you open the gull-wing stack doors. The moment you step in, you're greeted with a space that adapts to your every need. A fully customizable smart interior that reshapes itself depending on your mode, driving, relaxing, or resting. The walls, they're not just walls. They're interactive, fully immersive smart panels that can display scenic views, transform into a high-definition cinema screen, or even provide a real-time 360-degree projection of the outside world, making you feel like you're floating in space. The seating is made of adaptive memory foam that contours perfectly to your body, providing unmatched comfort whether you're cruising through cityscapes or camping under the stars. And the best part? The entire interior is voice and gesture controlled. Want to dim the lights? Just wave your hand. Need a soothing soundtrack? Just say the word and your personal AI assistant will curate the perfect playlist for your journey. Now let's talk about something that sets this camper apart: the way it transforms. Press a button, and the entire rear section expands outward, revealing a hidden multifunctional living space. A self-unfolding bed emerges, seamlessly integrating with an auto-inflating mattress made from NASA-grade materials. This is not just any sleeping area, it adjusts firmness based on your body's needs. The panoramic glass ceiling turns completely transparent at night, giving you an unobstructed view of the stars. Imagine lying there, feeling the gentle sway of the camper as it adapts to terrain changes, all while gazing at the universe above. And then, there's the kitchen. A marvel of modern tech. Compact, yet astonishingly versatile. Hidden induction surfaces only appear when needed, and a 3D food printer ensures you never run out of gourmet meals, even in the middle of nowhere. The water purification system? It pulls moisture straight from the air, providing fresh, clean drinking water wherever you go. And the best part, the AI-powered pantry automatically restocks essentials based on your travel itinerary, ensuring you never forget anything. But what about safety? This futuristic RV doesn't just rely on standard security measures. It features an adaptive drone surveillance system where tiny AI-driven drones patrol your surroundings, providing live feedback on any potential threats. The exterior shell can instantly tint for privacy or turn reflective to blend with the environment. And if that's not enough, biometric authentication ensures only you can access the vehicle, making it virtually theft-proof. Now, let's talk about mobility. This three-wheeled wonder doesn't just conquer roads, it adapts to any terrain. The suspension system actively adjusts based on surface conditions, whether you're cruising on asphalt, gliding over sand dunes, or making your way through a rocky trail. Need to navigate through extreme environments? The wheels themselves can morph, expanding for rough terrain or contracting for high-speed efficiency on highways. And yes, it even has an autonomous mode, so you can sit back, relax, and let the AI take over while you enjoy the journey. The entertainment system is beyond next level. A holographic projector turns any surface into a screen, allowing you to watch movies, play interactive games, or even take part in virtual reality travel experiences. The sound system? Spatial 360-degree audio that makes you feel like you're inside the music itself. And if you're traveling with friends, the modular seating allows for instant transformation into a social lounge. And then there's the energy system, completely self-sustaining.